All right, so the biggest problem with stablecoin settlements in a chain is that every one of us wants to do that. But the problem is it's all visible, right? Solana is a public ledger. So I decided to build Envelope, which is a treasury and payroll OS for crypto native companies to settle their payments in a shielded badge. The numbers don't lie, right? There is 9 trillion plus in stablecoin demand, the 650 billion plus a month in stablecoin transactions, and the gap is existing. There is crypto payroll products that don't solve this problem. The com data, which is your company's data, is completely public, right? Who you employ, what are they earning, what is your burn, and these things can be easily read by your competitors and it gives them an edge, right? So founders are basically choosing between leaking strategy or begging banks, which is not what should happen. Envelope is basically, it works in a very simple way. Customers can pay from any chain, including Base, Arbitrum, Solana, or by card, UPI, SEPA, everything. It all settles as USD in one treasury that you control. Salary encrypted before they touch the database. An on-chain program enforces the monthly cap and requires co-signers. And once that approval is paid out, every contractor in a single shielded badge, the public ledger sees no entry, no names, no amounts, everything is private. So there are three basic steps. You get to connect your treasury, you set the policy, and then you run the payroll. All that you need to do to run the payroll is approve once, and every contractor is paid in a single shielded badge. The public ledger shows just one entry. Imagine that. Hundreds of people you could employ, and just one entry which is private too. There are 6 building blocks behind this product. There is KiraPay, which we use for cross-chain payments, any token, any chain, and it's settled to USDC. We are using Dodo payments for UPI and SEPA. We are using ICA for the MPCD wallet. Encrypt, which basically checks the encrypted salaries are within a band or not. We are using Cloak for the main mode shielded payroll badges, and SNS for the .sol identity. This is not just a concept. This is not just in theory. We have already launched on Solana mainnet. End to end, it takes 47 seconds to pay 30 contractors. Imagine that. Just imagine that for a second. 30 contractors, and it takes you around 40 seconds. The cost for paying is 0.04 per contractor in network basis. The number of salaries that are visible in the public ledger is zero. Cross-border contractor pay is a 10 billion plus market, and it's doubling, and it's going on chain. The total addressable market has grown from 9.8 billion to approximate 24.7 billion by 2034. Crypto native and crypto curious global teams are rising, and crypto native AI and SaaS startups land here. Everyone pays your contractors, right? No one keeps it private. That is the issue that we are fixing. Envelope is crypto native. Envelope runs on an MPCD wallet. Envelope has a FEG policy and a shielded badge and any chain. No other competitor is solving all of these things at once. We have a free tier to start with, but after that, per shielded badge as we grow. There is no seed tax, there is no spreadsheet charge. And here's a reference implementation for the private payments, and I'll just stay here for one moment. We are not asking you to imagine it. As I said again, it is all live on Solana mainnet.